In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a virtual assistant. If you work as a VA, you know that organization is everything. Whether you support multiple clients or one team, your ability to plan, track, and communicate clearly makes all the difference. ClickUp brings those essentials into one place so you can run your day without juggling a stack of apps. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident setting up a clean workspace, creating action-ready tasks, collaborating smoothly, and using views that keep your schedule and timelines crystal clear. Let's start with what ClickUp gives you right away. You'll see calendars to map your schedule, Gantt charts to visualize timelines, and whiteboards for brainstorming. Think of these as your command center for planning, doing, and reviewing. For these tools to shine, begin with a solid structure, your spaces. On the left sidebar, spaces are dedicated areas for a client, a project, or a core responsibility. Clear spaces keep information tidy and make it easy to switch context when your workload gets busy. Create a space for each client or major area you manage, and give each one a clear, recognizable name so you can jump in and out quickly without second-guessing where things live. If you're balancing multiple clients, separate spaces help protect focus and avoid accidental mix-ups. Inside each space, you'll manage your lists. This is where you add tasks, track details, and keep momentum day to day. A list can represent a workflow stage, a deliverable, or a bucket of related work. Choose what mirrors how you think and operate. The goal is to group tasks so your to-dos feel organized rather than scattered. When you create a task, keep it straightforward and action-focused. Use a clear title that makes the work obvious at a glance. Add a short description with the purpose, the expected outcome, or quick context so anyone could pick it up. If there's a due date, add it immediately. Dates are the backbone of reliable planning and help you prioritize. Next, set priorities. Mark items as urgent, high, or low so you know what comes first. This turns a long list into a strategic plan and makes client conversations easier because you can point to a clear order of execution. Then assign tasks to yourself or collaborators so ownership is unmistakable. If you're delegating, assign it to the right person and confirm they have what they need. If it's yours, assigning it to yourself keeps it visible in your personal views. Collaboration in ClickUp is simple. Edit tasks, leave updates, and mark items as complete or in progress. Use comments for brief, relevant updates like draft completed, awaiting review, or sent to client for approval. Keep statuses current and adjust tasks when priorities shift. That consistency keeps everyone aligned and reduces back and forth. Now, bring it together with views. Use the calendar to lay out your week, drag and drop tasks, and avoid overlapping commitments. Switch to a Gantt chart when you need to see how tasks connect over time and where deadlines might clash. The timeline helps you spot when a delay in one task could push another, so you can reschedule proactively and protect delivery dates. When you want to sketch a process or workshop ideas, open a whiteboard and map it visually. Outline steps, plan content themes, or clarify a process before turning those ideas into tasks in the right list. As you use these features together, spaces for structure, lists, and tasks for daily execution, collaboration and statuses for alignment, and views for planning, ClickUp becomes your central hub. Name things clearly, document just enough context, assign ownership, update statuses, and check your views daily. Those small habits create a reliable system that scales with you, whether you're managing a handful of tasks or coordinating a full slate of client work. That's the core of becoming a top VA in ClickUp. With a solid foundation, clean tasks, consistent collaboration, and smart use of views, you'll save time, communicate confidently, and deliver work predictably.